Take back control of your wallet. Cancel Discord subscription in just a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to stop subscription on Discord. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Discord app on a device. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on the settings icon to access the user settings. All account-related options including subscription are found here. Scroll down in the user settings menu and tap on the subscription. This section lists all active subscriptions tied to your account. However, if you don't see any subscription listed, it means you don't currently have one. But if you have a subscription subscribed, then tap the cancel subscription button and the subscription will be stopped. So this is how to stop subscription on Discord. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.